can see there's some pitting, but it does have a nice shine. As you get closer, you can see the pitting. And there's in the center here, there's a couple of scrapes. So this is the heaviest area here. But you'll see. And then on the underside, right at that center seam, just kind of opened up a little bit. So from the top, that's right about where the scuff is, but from the top you don't see the crack. So like I said, it's just kind of opened up there. The mounts are all solid. Average surface rest on the back. And that mount is also solid.